Say that again?
My map says we have to stay to the left up here.
Good thing. Always good to have some checks. I know I locked the Stinky Slinky holder, but got a Stinky Slinky trying to escape. Cindy actually rides behind us and flagged it, so we're gonna fix that now, and hopefully that doesn't happen again. But we got to a gas station or a
rest
service area,
service plaza,
and it's the Connecticut Welcome Center. And we were getting ready to leave, and Cindy was doing a little walk around and
Thank
noticed a bolt is missing in our MORryde suspension. So now Cindy and I, thankfully, we drive two vehicles
right now.
Cindy and I drove to AutoZone to get some grade 8 bolts.
And of course, nowhere in the owner's manual tells you what size the bolts are. It just tells you what to torque them to. So
we bought a bunch of different ones.
we had to buy different ones, and we'll call MORryde on Monday because they're closed for the weekend.
It's been a day.
And of course, it's Saturday.
And we just got out of driving through New York, which was stressful enough. Around New York City, 95 north.
Drive an apartment complex.
It was stressful enough, and we got there, wanted to take a break, and then we find that. So now we've killed another hour, about an hour and 10 minutes so far.
Yeah, and we're stuck in traffic again. We're only doing like 20.
And because it's a rest area, you can't just go back to it.
Right, we had to go past it and then get off the exit and turn around and come back to it, which isn't that big of a deal on a normal day. But since it's already 5 p.m. and we've been on the road since 10.
Turn left, then turn left.
Okay. It's not a perfect fit, but should be able to tighten that down so that there's at least a bolt in there.
Nice gold bolt.
Yeah.
We'll have to check it again. Look, good thing we're gonna be here at the next campground for a week.
Okay, it's fixed, sort of. Yeah, it's there's a bolt in there, so hopefully that will hold it as we go down the road.
If you are anything like me, then right about now, you're asking yourself, what can I do to help out somehow? Well, that's a start.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to One Strange Adventure, and welcome to the next video. Today we are in Massachusetts at Pine Acres Family Campground.
What just don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it. Let's get it done. You step it up a notch. We can do it. We can get it done. 'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch.
It is a beautiful, beautiful campground, but we had our fair share of adventures. We'll call them adventures. Getting here, it turned it into a 12-hour day yesterday.
Yeah, it was only supposed to be 8 hours with the rig. Typically, that's our average of 45 miles per hour. Taking into account stops and stuff. We probably could have made it in about 6 if we didn't have any issues.
Yeah.
But we ended up hitting traffic.
We had traffic. We took 95 north straight through New York. And
If you can avoid taking that route, please do.
yeah,
It's
some
a
of those
lot less
bridges were
stress.
very low, even though I was on the right road. I know you can't drive on parkways, which is something we learned up here.
Yep.
It's unlawful to drive on
yeah,
parkways.
it's illegal if you are caught driving on a parkway. carrying a rig or a tractor trailer or a bus or anything like that.
We didn't learn that the hard way. I did some research. I knew that, and then, but it's still very low bridges, and you can see where 18-wheelers have hit the tops from the bumps in the New York City
Yes.
area.
Yeah, and the tunnels, the whole middle section of the tunnels are tore out from where things have gotten stuck.
Yep. And then we
Yeah.
got into Connecticut. We stopped at the Connecticut Welcome Center just to take a break, get some fuel, and well, we lost a bolt in one of our MORryde
Suspension.
suspensions. So then we had to take a 2-hour tour of trying to find an AutoZone, get bolts back,
or an auto supply store, regardless
Something.
of what it is.
and then be able to fix it. But we are about an hour and a half outside of Boston, west of Boston.
Yeah.
And
It's a beautiful area.
it is such a pretty area. We've never been to the New England area, so this is our first time up here.
Yeah, and it's like in a little. It's in the mountains. We did go up a little bit of a climb, but it's not like steep mountains. But the lake is up here and it's nice
Yeah.
and clear.
We're gonna get to use our paddle boards for the first time.
First time
Not
without
in the
having a really
ocean.
harsh current and a lot of wind. This is a nice calm lake.
Yep.
And it's not super windy out, so we should be able to succeed at this time. This time.
And sometime this week we're gonna venture into Boston. We're gonna go check out the Tea Party Museum, and I think we're also thinking about going to the aquarium. There's just a bunch of things. We're gonna go see some more of the country's history, just like we did last Sunday in Philadelphia.